Today, we're focusing on a simple home workout routine designed for beginners, perfect for kickstarting your weight loss journey. No equipment needed, just a few exercises to get you moving and burning calories right in the comfort of your home. Whether you're just getting started or want an easy way to stay active, this routine will help build strength, boost your metabolism, and keep you on track. Let's get right into it. Why choose home workouts? For beginners, they're an ideal way to get started. First, they're incredibly convenient. No need to travel to a gym or stick to a strict schedule. You can do these workouts anytime, anywhere. Plus, home workouts are budget-friendly. You don't need any fancy equipment. Your own body weight is enough to get results. Most importantly, home workouts can be just as effective as hitting the gym when done consistently. You'll be surprised how much progress you can make from your living room. Now let's talk about the key principles for effective weight loss. First and foremost, consistency is crucial. It's important to stick to your workout routine and make it a regular part of your life. Next, let's not forget about intensity. While these workouts are beginner-friendly, you should still challenge yourself. Focus on pushing your limits safely. Finally, nutrition plays a vital role in weight loss. Pairing your workouts with a balanced diet filled with whole foods will enhance your results. For more tips on nutrition, be sure to check out this video linked in the description. Remember, every little effort counts. Let's jump into the workout. We'll be doing a quick warm-up followed by a few simple exercises that target different muscle groups. Each exercise is beginner-friendly, so focus on your form and go at your own pace. To warm up, we'll start with jumping jacks to get the blood flowing. Stand with your feet together, then jump your feet out while raising your arms above your head. Keep a steady pace and continue for 30 seconds. Next up, bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself down as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Aim for 10 repetitions. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on controlled movements. Now let's move on to push-ups. If you're just starting, drop to your knees for a modified version. Keep your body in a straight line and lower yourself until your chest is close to the ground, then push back up. Go for 8 reps, focusing on maintaining good form. Now it's time for a core workout. Plank. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for as long as you can, aiming for at least 20 seconds. Keep your form tight and don't forget to breathe. Next, we'll do glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Let's aim for 10 controlled reps. You can also use one leg with a band if you're more advanced. Now, let's move on to reverse lunges. Step one foot back into a lunge position, keeping your front knee over your ankle, and lower down until your back knee almost touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Do 10 reps on each leg. Now for some cardio with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, then alternate driving your knees toward your chest. Keep a steady rhythm and aim for 20 repetitions in total, but focus on form over speed. Finally, let's cool down with some stretches. Reach for your toes to stretch your hamstrings, then gently pull one foot toward your glutes to stretch your quads. Take a deep breath and allow your heart rate to return to normal. Now that you've learned these simple exercises, remember, starting is the hardest part, but with consistency, you'll begin to see progress. Whether you're practicing these moves daily or just getting familiar with them, every bit of effort counts. Focus on perfecting your form and gradually building up your stamina. Over time, you'll get stronger, and the exercises will feel easier. The key is to stay committed and patient with yourself. Keep going, trust the process, and remember, it's all about steady improvement. Stick with it and you'll start seeing results. That wraps up today's workout breakdown. These exercises are perfect for beginners and can be done right at home. No gym or equipment needed. Remember, the key to seeing results is consistency and making these workouts part of your routine. Start small, focus on your form, and gradually increase your intensity over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other resources linked below for more tips on staying active and healthy. Keep moving, stay motivated, and see you in the next one.